this piece on. So if I can, let's get that one up there. That would be cool. It don't matter. Dead center. Don't you slip. Need a heavy Mac hammer. Dead center. Put a ding on that baby. That strap off. See that little piece pop out. Dead center on the next link strap. Pop right out, baby. Link out. See which one you want to run. Run what you brung. Run what you brung. Put another cutter on that one. It's probably too many cutters, ain't it? Cares. You know what? Damn it, I forgot. Something. 3/16 punch. 3/16 hollow punch. Oh yeah. Smaller ball peen. Yeah, a little bit. No. No. Where are you, baby? What happened here? There you go. Make sure it still swivels. Got too many cutters on there. It'll work still though. Sure there's not too much play in it. You want to flatten these back out. That way it's closed. Closes the link off. You'll see them kind of mushroom out a little. You see that? Mushrooms out. Mushroom that one out. There you go. Make sure it still plays. It's got where it works. Drive links. This one I'm going to use the other link here. I'm going to use this link. Had to add 5 links in. You gotta have the chain up higher. Let me see. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Oh. Can't tell race to sing a song, it's by my song. God, where you hit your finger at? Just the part you hit your finger. Get on a little bit, and then use your tube. Doing a little better. You get there a little better. Make sure there's still some play in it, because you want it to work. And then mushroom those down. You see those sticking out? Mushroom them down. Well, these are designed to do that because these guys are out in the field, out lumberjacking, and you have to fix these out in the forest. So you can get these little anvils that hold different size lamps, and then your remover. God, where was it? I wanted to test it one more time. Right here. God, that one's tight. I don't like it tight like that. That's what she said. I'll stretch it a little bit. That's what she said. Damn you. Damn you. That makes a hair too tight, baby. Now go look for it. Ow! This strap is just slightly different size or something, huh? Where you going, mommy? This is smooth now. I used to have to work on bicycle chains a lot when I was a kid. Not a lot, dude. I don't have any money to buy new bikes all the time. My dad bought me new bikes when I was a kid, and they kept getting stolen. I didn't take care of them. I was spoiled little shit. Then later on, when I really wanted them, he didn't buy them for me anymore. I had to work on them myself, and I remember him working on them and cleaning some up. So I'm gonna do that too. Has it led to me fixing stuff like this? Smooth. The chainsaws, though, these are called straps, tie straps, not chain links. But when you Google search them, you can do both. You can use, say, chain links, or you can say tie straps, but it's usually tie straps. I'm thinking the guys out in the forest just saying, need a new strap. Put on a new strap with the anvil. Or some of them will call it pocket something, but I think you get better search results with the word anvil. And that's good right there, I think. I'm going to put it on my chainsaw, my little 16. Put this stuff back up. Keep that for an extra link. Maybe that too. Dang, maybe that too. Always keep my Mac right there, the Mac one. Right over here. See if it's the same length. That one I'm replacing. This is a power sharp blade. I hate these. They're like not really resharpenable. I might have went a link too long. Oh, that's right. That's about right. Cool. Put this back in the chainsaw box. Put this back over here. File drawer, hammer drawer, punch drawer, hammer drawer. Oh, cool. Let's try this little Mama Jama out. I got 3 sharp teeth in a row. This gonna be more like a raker than a cutter. Come on, little baby. Gonna burn this damn place down. Come on, little baby. Gonna burn this damn place down. Little 16-inch saw. Little woodsman. Ah. Still got enough adjustment. Let's see what we got here. See if we can line this up with the hole there. That's the adjuster. Always clean your stuff before you put it on, folks. Don't do like me. I try to clean as many as I can. God, man, I can't. It's Sunday. I'm not supposed to work today. Ah. Snap on. Yeah, look about right. There's that, needs to be about here. You see that? I've seen guys tighten those on without having that in the hole, and I wonder what the hell's wrong with the saw. I'm that guy. Come on, baby. Come on, little baby. There it goes. You can see it lined up. Nuts. Other nut. Get them on there not snug, just hand tight, where your cover mashes down and your chain adjuster's in the slot or in the hole. You can tell it's in the hole still because that's going together. Now it's not tight. Now you can watch your chain slack come out. God, it's not in the rail. Oh yeah. Chingate, now it is. When you tighten these, for some reason it gets a little tighter. It's like a bicycle when you're working on it. It's like, what happened? I had it adjusted, then I tightened it and it got real tight. So you want a little slack in it. Tighten it up, see what happens. You may have to do this twice. Pretty good. Stick your oil can in this hole, guys. Squeeze it while you're doing this to your chain and lube that up real good. Some guys stick grease in there. Not put oil. But if you drop some oil in your rail here, especially oil ain't working that well right away. Mine's dirty. I better check it. I want to fire this little guy up. Man, 3 in a row. I didn't really want to do that, but I had to do it. It'd be fun. I've seen that on other saws that I've bought. Man, maybe I should tighten that a hair more, huh? It's fine for now, just for testing it. Crank. Woodsman. Ah, shit. You are missing an exhaust bolt. Damn it. A little 32cc Woodsman, 2.1 cubes. Put a little gas in it since she fires. Well, that don't look too good. Almost song. Ooh, look at that. We need a filter, baby. We need a filter. Gosh. What just happened? Oy. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This needs new fuel lines. Damn it. Needs new fuel lines. Next, new fuel lines. New fuel lines first. No starty. Ah, why don't you do that? I don't want that out here. New fuel lines.